Hello again, this is Hannah at Auto Key Chase. So what we have now, we have a Mini Cooper and it's on a 2002 plate. So the client's key was stolen recently. This is a beautiful car, it's a very high spec car, and because of the vehicle itself I won't be able to film certain parts just in case anyone recognises the car. However, I am going to film as much of the process as I can, get this uploaded and show you how to do the EWS systems. When you're programming to these, there is EWS box, which I don't know if you can see it on the camera, so I'm just going to put a light on. However, that bracket, that metal bracket that you see there, the box is being held in here. You have two shear bolts, one this side, one this side. They are a bit of a mission to get to, so I always remove the glasses case here, and then this whole unit, this will just pop off. So we can pull. Oh, that's on tight. There you go. Right, so this will then come out of here, this here, and that down. And then what we're going to do, we're going to get just a hammer and a flathead on here to loosen that side, and then we can do this side over there, take the bracket off, take the box out, and then I can show you the programming on the van. So while I'm taking these off, I'm just going to cut the camera. Otherwise it's just going to be awkward having the camera on my head in the position I need to be in. So I'll cut the camera here. I'll be back shortly with the rest of the process. Everyone, so I'm back. This is the box that's been removed from the vehicle, EWS 3. We are going to use the AK90 today for programming on this system. Let's get you out, there and that, and we get all of this set up. So this vehicle is PCF 7935, and I don't recommend using anything like a super chip on there. Sometimes you can get the car started, but it will often like to kick them out. So we use original PCF 7935 chips. So this is the chip we're going to be EEPROMing. It tells you on there it's an OD46J. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, however that information is just above this screwdriver there. Alright, it's already selected on here. This chip here is covered, absolutely covered in masking, so I'm going to go and scratch all of this off now. Otherwise you won't be able to get a read off the clip. So what I did is I removed the white clip. I think it was getting in the way. I'm just holding the clip onto the board and it's reading the EEPROM now. There we are, there's our EEPROM for the vehicle. There we go. And I am going to save it to my desktop. Now we've got the EEPROM on here. All it is a case of doing is writing the data to a chip. So I get out one of these PCF 7935, black tack in there which is going to secure that chip, and we are going to go to write key. So these are all the keys that are on the vehicle. Always start from key number 10, and then we go for PCF 7935 and we write to key. So the chip is in the coil, it'll detect that, then it'll write. There you go, it's doing it pretty quick. Once you're at your verifying stage, this can take anywhere between a minute to 3 or 4 minutes, it depends. Come up saying write key okay. Let's get this cut. I'm going to go and plug the box back in. Right. There we go. So we know our key is programmed. The next thing now, I'm going to get this chip, secure it into the key, and then we'll plug a machine in OBD and get the remote all in.